In my first video of this series, I showed you how to live stream using OBS Studio. In the next video, I showed you how to multi-stream using a multi-streaming service called restream.io. In this video, I'm going to show you how to multi-stream directly from your computer and OBS. If your computer is up to the task, you can multi-stream to multiple platforms using just a simple plugin inside OBS. I'll show you where to get the plugin and how to set up all the settings. So this is a bit more of an advanced way to do this. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So the first thing we want to do is open our browser, and I just in Google type in multiple rtmp output OBS. That is probably the simplest way. And this very top one here is the plugin you want. So go ahead and click on that. And then we are now in the GitHub page for OBS. Go ahead and click on go to download. Now, go ahead and scroll down past all this till you get to the assets here. And go ahead and choose the operating system that you are using. I am using the Mac OS right here. All right, and then just go ahead and open it up and install it. Make sure that once you have it installed, that you close and reopen OBS so that it is fully functional. Now back here in OBS, you're going to want to go to Docs and click Multiple Output. And you'll see this window pop up called Multiple Output. Go ahead and click Add New Target. And here are all the settings we need to get. I'm going to go ahead and name this YouTube. Now we need to go to our platform that we want to stream to and grab our credentials for this. So I'm going to go into my YouTube here, and I'm just going to click Create and hit Go Live. All right, once this is loaded, we're going to want to copy our stream URL and our stream key. So I'll grab the URL first, and we will paste that in there. Then grab our stream key and paste it in there as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and choose X264 as my encoder. And I'll just leave all this the same here. And we'll do FFmpeg AAC as the audio encoder. And we can leave that as well. Then scroll down. YouTube, I believe, wants a keyframe interval of 2, so go ahead and set that. Every platform is a little bit different. Go ahead and hit OK. And we are all set with our first target here. Now you can add more than that. For example, you can add Facebook or Twitch or Kick or anything, any place that you want to stream to that allows it. What we're going to do now is go ahead and we're going to pretend we have others here and just hit Start All. And then we will switch back to YouTube, and we will see there will be a little bit of a lag. And as you can see, it is starting to pull up what we are streaming right now. And if you want to just do a test stream under the edit, before you start streaming, you would want to go down to visibility, and actually you could change it here if you want to. Choose private or unlisted. And then once we are done, go ahead and hit live stream, or sorry, end stream. And we want to stop all back in OBS. And there we go, another way to multi-stream without signing up for a multi-streaming service. If this video helped you at all, check out some of these other videos. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. That's it for today. We'll see you next time.